Many English learners get confused between either, neither, and nor. The good news is you don't need big grammar rules. You only need to understand what each word does in real sentences. I'll show you easy examples that feel natural to speak. After this video, you will frame clear lines automatically. Let's start. First is either. Use either when you want to choose one thing from two things. It shows you have two possible options and only one of them will actually happen. You usually place it before the two choices you are talking about. So remember, when you speak about choosing between two things, either helps you point to one option clearly. I will give you some examples. You can have either tea or juice. We can meet either today or tomorrow. Common mistakes people make is I want either tea, but the correct sentence is I want either tea or coffee. Second is neither. Use neither when you want to say that both things are not true or not possible. It is like saying not this and also not that. So it gives a double negative idea without using extra negative words. When you use neither, you are closing both options at the same time. This makes your sentences very clear and direct. I'll give you some examples. Neither answer is right. Neither of us was ready. Let's move to third, that is nor. We normally use nor after a negative sentence to continue the negative meaning. First, you say something negative, and then nor adds another negative point without repeating not. Think of nor like a bridge that connects two negative ideas smoothly. This helps your sentences sound more natural and clean. Examples: I did not go to the party, nor did I call anyone. I don't like horror movies, nor do I watch them. Let's move to the combination of either and or. This is most commonly used. This structure is used when you are giving two possible choices. You are clearly saying that the only one of those choices will happen or be true. It makes your sentence simple because you show the options directly. This pattern is very common in everyday English, especially when you are deciding things. Examples: either you come now or I leave. Either pay online or pay in cash. Either my sister or my friends are coming. Let's move to next part, that is neither and nor combination. This structure is used to show a negative situation for both things. It clearly shuts down option 1 and also shuts down option 2. When you start with neither, you continue with nor because they work together like a pair. This helps you make strong negative statements without repeating extra negative words. Examples: neither my brother nor my sister likes pizza. Neither the movies nor the music was good. I will give you a short comparison of the entire thing that we have learned. Either means you are choosing one thing out of two. Neither means you are choosing none of them. Or gives a choice while nor continues a negative choice. These four ideas work like simple switches: choose, refuse, or continue the refusal. Now it's time for a quick mini quiz. I will give you 3 sentences. You have to choose the correct answer and comment it down. I will add the answer in the pinned comment. First, either you or me is wrong. Neither you or me is wrong. Neither you nor me is wrong. You don't need heavy grammar. Just remember, use either to choose, use neither to reject both, and use nor to continue the negative. Start practicing these in daily sentences, and you will suddenly notice your English sounding clearer and more confident without extra effort. Thank you so much.